name is Megan McCumber, and I'm here to give you a presentation on perceptual motor development for children. Today, we will discuss what is perceptual motor, the positive aspects of it, the negative side effects if you don't receive it, the components of perceptual motor. Then, I will be giving examples of unilateral activities, bilateral activities, and cross-lateral activities. What is perceptual motor? Well, perceptual deals with obtaining information. Then, motor refers to the outcome of movement. Perceptual motor activities require children to use both their brain and body together to accomplish a task. The positive aspects of perceptual motor activities: improves reading and writing abilities. They are motor-based abilities that require the mind and body to work together. It improves academic readiness and increases the student's full potential. This includes students with learning disabilities and children with special needs. The negative aspects: if you don't receive perceptual motor activities, the children will struggle with coordination, possess poor body awareness, and feel less confident. Cognitive development is not being developed because neural pathways in the brain are not being stimulated. Children will experience difficulty in learning basic academic skills in reading and writing. Here are the components of perceptual motor development. They are laterality, balance, body image, tracking, spatial relations, locomotor skills, and manipulative skills. Unilateral activities. They aid in hemisphere brain development by isolating one side of the body to develop each side of the brain. As the children get ready to learn, their brains are ready to cross the hemisphere. This helps develop neural pathways by activating the vestibular with activities that require balance. Both hemispheres in the brain are being used. An example of unilateral activities: you can place 4 hoops on the ground. Each hoop will have a letter, for instance, C-A-T. The 4th hoop will have a picture of the cat. When you jump, you have to say the letter. In the last hoop, you have to say what the picture is. Bilateral activities. Bilateral movements develop control and coordination. Poor coordination of left and right sides of the body by the brain result in disintegration of function. An example of bilateral activities: you have 4 cones on the ground. Each cone has a picture of a shape that is a specific color. The children are to jump to the cone and say what the shape and color of the object is. Cross-lateral activities. Cross-lateral activities involve hand-foot crossing the vertical midline or body. This aids in moving from left side of the page to right side of the page during reading and writing. An example of cross-lateral activities: the children are to lie down on a scooter and pull themselves on a rope that is attached to an object. Finally, the overview of my topics for perceptual motor activities for children are: what is perceptual motor? Positive aspects of perceptual motor, the negative side effects for children who don't receive these activities, the components of perceptual motor, and I gave 3 examples of all activities for children. Where can you buy the book? Perceptual Motor Activities for Children at www.humankinetics.com. Here are my references and bibliography. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the presentation.